Welcome to a deep dive into the 2025 Subaru WRX TS, the newest chapter in a storied performance sedan lineage. For years, WRX fans have been clamoring for the return of a true STI-level performer. While Subaru's legendary STI is officially retired, the TS emerges, tuned by STI, as the most potent WRX yet, engineered to deliver track-ready capability with everyday usability. Using the same torquey 271 horsepower 2.4-liter turbocharged boxer engine, this WRX adds Brembo brakes, STI-tuned dampers, Recaro seats, and refined digital instrumentation to create a package that bridges WRX heritage and modern refinement. Today, we'll explore every detail: performance, ride, tech, safety, ownership, and give you the clarity to decide if it's the right person's WRX. Ready? Buckle in. Exterior and presence. The 2025 WRX TS immediately sets itself apart. The aggressive hood scoop and rally-inspired stance remain signature WRX visual cues, but this trim adds satin gray 19-inch wheels wrapped in Bridgestone Potenza S007 summer tires and Brembo brakes with gold-painted calipers that signal performance at a glance. Subtle aesthetic refinements include crystal black silica, accented mirrors, a shark fin antenna, and magma-inspired taillight coloration that reward closer inspection. The result, a car that looks purposeful, even predatory, but in an understated, confident way. Powertrain. Under the hood lies a familiar champion, the 2.4-liter turbocharged Boxer 4-cylinder, delivering 271 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, the same mechanical heart as found in other WRX trims. This power plant feeds standard symmetrical all-wheel drive, paired with either a 6-speed manual gearbox, the sole option on the TS, or a continuously variable Subaru Performance Transmission CVT available elsewhere. The TS is all about driver engagement. It's manual only, with no automatic option. Driving dynamics, brakes, suspension, and steering. The TS gets STI-tuned electronically adjustable dampers with selectable comfort, normal, and sport settings delivered through Drive Mode Select. That adaptability means you can shift from daily commuter smoothness to firm track control with a few taps. Braking is transformed thanks to Brembo 6-piston front and 2-piston rear calipers, oversized rotors, and a larger master cylinder, delivering powerful, fade-resistant stopping that performed flawlessly under heat at Sonoma Raceway. Steering calibration was adjusted for more weight, yet some drivers find it fatiguing and still lacking in tactile feedback. Subtle under-center response tweaks improve this in individual mode. Overall, the framework feels tight, communicative, and planted, especially in Sport Plus settings. Interior and technology. Inside, the 2025 WRX TS fuses performance DNA with modern amenities. Recaro Ultra Suede front seats with blue accents and STI branding cradle the driver and passenger with excellent lateral support. Subaru includes a 12.3-inch fully digital gauge cluster, the first for WRX, offering tachometer, speedometer, map display, and eyesight system status. The center stack hosts an 11.6-inch portrait-oriented touchscreen, visually crisp, packed with large tiles, and paired with intuitive physical knobs for volume and, inside that system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, embedded TomTom navigation, free 3-year updates, and voice recognition. The TS also offers an 11-speaker Harman Kardon audio system delivering pleasing separation despite the 4-cylinder's growl AutoWeb. Rear seats fold 60/40, revealing ample trunk space around 12.5 cubic feet, and there are thoughtful amenities such as rear USB-A and USB-C ports, an armrest, and a trunk release button. Fit and finish trends slightly more utilitarian than premium, but functionally everything feels robust, logical, and built for daily use. Safety and driver assistance. Subaru hasn't abandoned the performing driver to less safety. The TS comes with EyeSight driver assist technology even though it's a manual car, rare for the segment. This includes adaptive cruise control with lane centering, automatic emergency braking, lane departure prevention, and pre-collision braking. Additionally, blind spot detection, rear cross traffic alert, and evasive steering assist are available on higher trims. Safety structure and crash ratings back this up. 5 stars from NHTSA and top safety pick plus from IIHS. For an enthusiast car, the TS feels thoroughly supportive, thrilling, but safe. Performance, figures, and economy. Performance in real terms is excellent. A WRX TR trim hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.0 seconds in Motor Trend testing, with manual and CVT models offering similar results approximately 5.9 seconds. Fuel economy sits modestly at 19 miles per gallon city/26 miles per gallon highway, with the automatic CVT version rated slightly lower at 18/25. Expect about 22 miles per gallon combined for the manual, a fair trade-off for performance. The aggressive Brembos and street tires are thirsty components, so fuel economy isn't the WRX's focus, but it remains usable in daily life. Ownership, experience, and community. Feedback. Priced as an upscale model, the TS starts around $45,705 MSRP, only slightly above the GT trim and still competitive in its class. Owners rave about its track readiness with street usability. It'll outride most cars on rough roads, yet corner like a track weapon is a common sentiment. The manual gearbox and linear power delivery evoke WRX roots, and the steering weight tweaks make it feel smooth despite modernized systems. Yet, some call the infotainment system sluggish, with connectivity issues, and note the absence of remote start, especially in manual trims. Pros and cons. Pros, naturally woven into our narrative. Engaging manual transmission paired with robust symmetrical AWD, STI-tuned suspension with adjustable dampers, found highway and track balance. Brembo brakes offer fade-resistant, powerful stopping. Recaro seats provide exceptional support for spirited driving. Full suite of eyesight safety features, even in manual trim. Digital instrumentation and large touchscreen upgrade usability. Respected Subaru reliability and resale value. Cons, interwoven. Power increase limited. Same 271 horsepower, so performance improvement is about refinement, not numbers. Steering feedback improvement incomplete. Heavier, but still disconnected, especially in sport, plus infotainment can be laggy or glitchy. Owners report delays and phone connection issues. No remote start in manual models. Firm ride, shared dampers, and sporty tires can be harsh on broken pavement. MPG modest. Performance trade-off makes for frequent stops compared to lighter or hybrid rivals. The 2025 Subaru WRX TS stands as an impressive evolution of the WRX legacy. It delivers track-bred precision, modern driver aids, and daily usability, all wrapped in a performance sedan that feels more intentional than any WRX before it. If you miss the STI's visceral charm but want something more livable, the TS answers that call. However, it's not perfect. The power bump isn't dramatic, the infotainment has quirks, and the ride insists on reminding you this is a performance car, not a boulevard cruiser. But if you're looking for a no-compromise experience that blends legacy, excitement, and safety, the WRX TS is your daily rally weapon.